For this desi pasta. So I have some macaroni. You can take pasta of your choice for this. And I have one onion which is I've finely chopped it. I have 2 tomatoes because this is going to be a tomato tangy kind of pasta. And I have 1 capsicum which I have finely chopped. I have 2 spoonfuls of butter. I have few cloves of garlic which I have chopped, like about 5 to 6. I have 1 regular cheese cube. You can also go ahead and use mozzarella cheese if you have that. Then in spices, we have very basic spices. I have some salt as per taste. I have 1 spoon of red chili powder. I have half a spoon of pepper powder. Apart from this, what I have is pasta masala and Maggi masala. You can use either of them. If you have both of them, you can go ahead and use both half. So I have both. I'm going to use it half. You can just use Maggi masala also, which is basic, easy available. Or you can use pasta masala that you have. In sauces, I have red chili sauce, which I'm going to use. I have some Szechuan sauce, Szechuan chutney, the Ching's one basically that you get. I'm using that, and I have some tomato ketchup. I have Tabasco, which I'm going to add in few drops at the end. So let's begin to cook pasta first. So we'll begin by heating some water in a pan. I'm going to add in some salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. And I'm going to add in about 2 spoons of oil to this. This is to avoid the pasta to stick to each other. The water's become nice and hot. I'm going to add in 1½ cup of macaroni. So this is my cup size. I've added 1½ cup of macaroni, and we're going to allow this to cook now. So this is pretty much done, like you can see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save some water from this into a bowl. This basically this is touch water, and you can keep it to adjust your sauce consistency later. If you need water, you can use this water. That way the flavor will also not go by adding water. So not much, about 2 spoonfuls of water I've taken and kept aside. Now I'm going to go and strain this. I've strained all the water. Now I'm going to add about 2 spoons of oil to this, and we are going to mix this because we don't want the pasta to stick to each other once it cools down till the time we make sauce. So this will help it to not stick to each other. So let's begin to make the sauce now. Start by heating a pan. I'm going to add in all the butter. Once the butter starts to melt, I'm going to add in the garlic that we chopped, as well as onions. Mix this well. We're going to allow the onions to cook a little. You don't really have to brown them, just cook them a little bit. Now we're going to add in our tomatoes and our capsicum. You can also go ahead and add beans and carrot or broccoli or the vegetable of your choice here. I'm going to mix this quickly. Allow this to cook for 2 minutes. Now we are going to add our salt, pepper and chili powder to this. Mix this. Salt will help the tomatoes to become softer fast. So let's just mix. Cover and cook this. Check. Now we are going to add half a packet of Maggi masala. Like I said, I'm using half a packet of both. If you don't have either of them, you can use one full packet of whatever you have out of this. If you don't have both of them, you can use some chaat masala powder, some lemon juice to make it tangy. We are going to use this basically. We've added, let's mix. This has not become like a sauce yet, so I'm going to allow this to cook for some more time. I have not added any water to this yet. This looks pretty much done. Now we'll add our sauces. So I am adding 1 spoon of Szechuan chutney that you get for spice. I'm going to add in 1 spoon of chili sauce as well. If you have a better spice level, you can go ahead and add in 1.5 spoon like I am doing. Then I'm going to use our basic tomato ketchup. So 1 spoon, 2 spoon and 3 spoons. So 3 spoonfuls of them I've used. Let's mix all the sauces. I'm going to add 2 spoons of this starch water that we kept aside, just because I want the tomatoes to melt a little more. And the starch water will ensure that the sauce doesn't become watery and stays thick and nice. We'll allow this to cook for a minute. Grate 1 cheese cube in this, and we're going to quickly mix this. Mix the cheese and the sauce. You can taste the sauce at this stage. If you find the spice or salt, anything you want to adjust, you can adjust right now. Now we'll add in all our pasta to this. And we are going to mix this nicely. Mix it with light hands. Don't end up breaking the pasta. That way the pasta has oil, so you will not really mess up. Let's mix all of it. You can see this is nice and red. I'm going to add in few drops of Tabasco for the spice, and we'll mix this. Let's plate this. So I've just put a little grated cheese on top. You can also go ahead and add coriander leaves. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more such videos. See you until next time in the kitchen of Prep Cook Live.